today let's start with chapter number 2, formulas and function in Excel. In this chapter I will tell you about Microsoft Excel. Now an important features of Excel spreadsheet is that it allows us to create a formula. इसमें आप क्या करते हो, formula create करते हो जो आपको automatically क्या करता है, result कहता है, right? So formulas and functions, they are the building blocks of working with numeric data, and a formula is expression जो क्या करता है, वो calculates करता है value in the sets, and the functions, they are predefined formulas and they are already evaluated in Excel. इनको आप already क्या करते हो, evaluate कर. Now let's study about the formulas in Excel. So the formula is an equation that makes calculation based on data in your spreadsheet. They are entered into a cell in your worksheet. They must begin with the equal sign. हमेशा ये किससे शुरू होता है, equal के sign से, and followed by the address of the cell to be calculated with an appropriate operand placed in between. Once the formula is typed into the cell, the calculation executes immediately and the formula appears in the formula bar. Like formula has to be created for calculating subtotal of the number of textbook, and this formula multiplies the quantity and the price of each textbook, right? And then add the total to give combined cost of the all books. Now components of a formula. What are the different components? Like we have constant. So they contain numeric values like 430.89 minus 9p, और string value होते हैं like books and names. If we talk about cell reference, ये cell address होते हैं जो cell की ranges बताते हैं, like D4, G7, ratio, H10. Now we have operators, ये correctors होते हैं, special correctors को हम operators कहते हैं. Then we have functions. They are inbuilt formula whose meaning and purpose are already defined. Like we have sum, count, like equal to sign मतलब आपको जब start करना है Excel का फॉर्म में, पैराथ्रीन्स क्या होते हैं, they are used to enclose the cell ranges. ये होते हैं आपके पैराथ्रीन्स. Now like we have functions, if use करा है, A1 cell reference है, ये operators हैं, greater, आपका greater और equals to का, और ये constant है like yes or no. Now we want to create, अब हमको क्या करना है, basic formula create करना है. As one that have only one operator in the formula, let us understand by calculating sum of number D3, D4 to DI. और वो आपको रिजल्ट दिखाएगा यहाँ पे, देखो दिख रहा है ना आपको, ऐसे आपको शो होगा, आपके करना है सिलेक्ट करना है D11 where the result has to be displayed, और आपको D11 को सिलेक्ट करना है क्योंकि हमें रिजल्ट वहीं पे डिस्प्ले करना है, ठीक है. फिर आप इक्वल साइन लगाओगे एंड नाउ क्लिक ऑन द D3, नोटिस दैट एड्रेस विल अपीयर इन द D11 एंड एंटर प्लस साइन आफ्टर इट, और आप क्या करोगे, प्लस साइन को एंटर करो. Now repeat the above step till D9 and you will say that यहाँ पे आपको दिख भी रहा होगा D3, D4, D5, D6 ऐसे आपको शो हो जाएगा. Now press enter. जैसे आप enter प्रेस करोगे फिर आपको यहाँ पे रिजल्ट दिखाई. Now creating a compound formula. Now we have to create a compound formula. So for that it may contain more than one operator for doing calculation, like calculating the simple interest using formula P into R into T. ये हमारा SI का फॉर्मूला होता है, प्रिंसिपल इंटू R मतलब रेट इंटू टाइम अपॉन 100. So for that type the data, click on cell C6 and then type equal. Click on cell C2, notice the cell address C2 will appear. आप देखेंगे C2 appear हो जाएगा and then type sign of multiplication of cell D3 and C6 and now type 100 in the cell, press enter और आपको रिजल्ट दिखाई देगा आपका सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का. Now text formula. Text formula they are used to add character and string value. आप इसमें character और string values को add करते हो. Addition operation can be performed on characters and string data. But others operations such as subtraction, multiplication, division इनको हम perform नहीं कर सकते. So using range, अगर आपको range का use करना है formula में, so for that multiple cells are assigned to the formula by creating a range or list them. So it can save a lot of time and effort. If you want to find the sum of columns or rows, it is the most convenient to use a range. So for that, enter the data as shown in the figure, select the cell D11 and then type equal sum D3 ratio D9 like this. ये आपको यहाँ शो हो रहा है. Now press enter, फिर आपको जो भी सम है वो आपको वहाँ पे दिखाई देगा. Then we have cell references and net types. First is relative reference. What is relative reference? References of the cell ranges that is मोस्टली बेस्ड ऑन पोजीशन, जो आपके पोजीशन पे बेस्ड होती है। एंड अ स्प्रेडशीट इज बाय डिफॉल्ट, जिसको हम रिलेटिव कहते हैं। इसमें आप फॉर्मूला को कॉपी कर सकते हो, मूव भी कर सकते हो टू द अदर सेल, एंड इट विल गेट मॉडिफाइड ऑटोमेटिकली। वो ऑटोमेटिकली मॉडिफाई हो जाता है। नाउ क्लिक टू द सेल C11 where the formula sum C3 C11 is written. Click on copy button. फिर आपको copy button पे क्लिक करना है, click on the cell D11 and click on the paste button. देन वी हैव एब्सोल्यूट रेफरेंस। एब्सोल्यूट रेफरेंस में क्या होता है, इसमें आप चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते, राइट। फॉर दिस यू वांट टू कॉपी फॉर्मूला टू अनदर सेल, एंड फॉर मेकिंग एब्सोल्यूट रेफरेंस फॉर अ फॉर्मूला आप हमेशा डॉलर का जो साइन होता है उसका यूज करते हो, राइट, लाइक $B $1 प्लस। Let us compute the incentives at the rate of 4%. To use absolute self reference आपको टाइप करना पड़ेगा 14% सेल। आपको E1 में देखो, यहाँ 1 में डाला 14% इंसेंटिव्स एक्चुअल और एक्सपेंसिव। देन टाइप C3 E1 एंटर की, एंड द फर्स्ट सेल एड्रेस विल बी रिलेटिव एड्रेस एंड सेकंड वन विल बी एब्सोल्यूट। पहला रिलेटिव होगा, दूसरा एब्सोल्यूट होगा। The incentive value appears in the cell, and now copy the formula when pointer gets changed to the copy pointer and drag this formula to the rest of the cell. Now mixed reference. What is mixed reference? ये combination होता है relative और absolute reference का, right? In this, either row or column is to be fixed. So to use mixed cell reference in it, follow the steps. Like we can say, type 14 cell E2 and click cell F4. Type this and press enter. Then you will copy the formula. जैसे आप copy करोगे, आपका जो rest of the cell है वो compute करेगा क्या, actual expenses. Now cell references of another worksheet, right? So for that, cell reference of worksheet can be used to another worksheet. This is done by using copy paste option. आप इसको किससे कर सकते हो, copy paste option से. So for that, click on sheet 2. आप sheet 2 पे जाएंगे, tab पे, and type the data as shown in the figure. Then click on sheet 1 tab and click on cell C11 where sum function is used. So copy the formula using Ctrl plus C, select sheet 2 tab and select C11 and paste the formula using Ctrl plus V. आपको formula को Ctrl plus V करके क्या करना है, paste करना. Now using sheet reference. अब हमें sheet reference का use करना है. For that it makes use of sheet number, exclamation mark and cell address. Like sheet 2 C3, to use sheet reference, follow the given steps. Like step 1, click on cell D3 of sheet 2 and then type C3 plus sheet 1. आपको C3 plus sheet 1 for adding incentives. यहाँ पे हम add करना है incentives को sheet 1 में, और salary of C3 as sheet 2, and then you will press enter और total salary आपकी calculate हो जाएगी. Now naming a sheet tab. Now for naming a sheet tab, Excel display 3 worksheet by default. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. More sheets can be added as per the requirement. Any name can be assigned to these sheet tab. To name a sheet tab, follow the given steps. Like right click on the sheet 2 tab in the worksheet, you will see that shortcut menu appear. Choose the rename option. The pointer appears in the sheet 2 tab and type the name of your choice and you will press the enter key. For that, modifying the color of sheet tab. अब आपको modify करना है. So you have to right click on the sheet 2 tab and choose tab color option in the shortcut menu. Choose the color of your choice. अब आपको अपने color, अपनी choice का color choose करना है. And function in MS Excel, the predefined formula. ये क्या है? Predefined formula है जो क्या परफॉर्म करता है, सिंपल एज वेल एज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कैलकुलेशन, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, फंक्शंस कहते हैं. दे सेव टाइम्स एंड पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ राइटिंग इनकरेक्ट फॉर्मूला एंड इज ऑल्सो अवॉइडेड. दे एक्सेप्ट द आर्ग्यूमेंट्स एंड रिटर्न वैल्यूज. नाउ रूल्स ऑफ इंसर्टिंग फंक्शंस. फंक्शंस क्या है? दे शुड बिगिन विद इक्वल टू साइन. Function name should be valid in Excel, like sum and average. Name of the function should be followed. Parathing should be arguments which is given below. So we have sum range, मतलब find the sum to a given range. Average range, find the average. INT number, मतलब return to the round off. Then odd number, which is nearest to the odd integers. Round number digit. Then we have product. SQRT मतलब square B. Exponent. AXP क्या होती है? Powers होती है. MOD, that is return to the remainder, which is divided. Power, given power. count matlab you have to count the number of cell. Then today display the current data. Now auto sum function in MS Excel. For that, auto sum function is used automatically to add the contents of the cluster of adjacent cell. ये data को recognize करता है consequently and entered when it sees an empty cell. It is also used to perform other color like average, count, max and minimum. Now highlight the group of cell that will be summed like cell B2. Now click the formula tab and click auto sum. Right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now I will do the exercise of the chapter. Now first is the function is used to display the current date. Current date, that is your today. That function returns square root of a number, that is SQRT. Dash is the reference in combination of relative and absolute reference. Combination hota hai, that is your combined. Dash functions find the largest number in the range, that is max. Dash returns the remainder when the number is divided by division, that is your AXP. Now fill in the blanks. Dash formulas are one that have only one operator in the formulas, that is your simple form. Dash is the cell address which is present in the formulas, that is reference. Excel display dash worksheet by default. Dash are predefined formulas in Excel that can perform simple as well as complicated calculation. Every function has the same syntax. Now next is true and false. A formula start with equals to sign. It's true. Only simple calculations can be easily performed with the help of functions. False. Variables are the number of text values that do not change. False. X plus y upon z is an example of basic compound formula. Is true. INT functions the round off to the nearest integers. It's true. Now cell reference of one worksheet can be used in another worksheet. It's true. Now let's study with question and answers. What do you mean by formula? And you have to tell how it is different from functions. Next is various components बताने आपको formula के. Write the steps to use range. अब आपको range steps बताने. What is absolute reference? Get 3 rules to enter a function. आपको 3 rules बताने आप कैसे function कर सकते हो, enter कर सकते हो. What is the use of auto sum function? How can you name a sheet tab? और आपको what is formula error उसको आपको describe करना है. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.